Chapter 15. Our Environment. Learning Objectives. Natural resources. Pollution. How is the environment spoiled? Controlling pollution. The surroundings include all the living and non living things that play an important role in our lives, forms our environment. Plants, animals, and human beings are the living part of the environment. They are called living components or biotic components of the environment. Air, water, soil, sunshine, etc. are the non living part of the environment. They are called non living components or abiotic components of the environment. Natural resources. Our Earth is the only planet where life exists. The environment found here is helpful for the survival of living things. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, green fields, dense forests, flowing rivers, seas, and oceans are found here on the earth. All these things provide suitable conditions for all living things. Plants and animals provide us with food. We get wood and medicinal herbs from forests and mountains. There are many things found under the surface of the earth that help us in many ways. Minerals like coal, petroleum, gold, iron, copper are obtained from deep core of the earth. Three-fourths of the earth is covered with water. We get fish, pearls, and other precious things from these water bodies. These naturally occurring things are called natural resources. They are very useful. We should use them carefully. We should keep them safe and clean to lead a healthy and happy life. How is the environment spoiled? We know that all the living beings are a part of the environment. They depend on the natural resources like air, water, and land for their survival. These are the biotic components of our environment. Sometimes we do our day to day activities without thinking about the environment, and these activities affect the environment, which in turn affects our lives. Therefore, we need to save the earth from getting dirty or polluted. We must know about the activities that pollute the earth. Pollution, air pollution. All living things breathe air. Without air, we cannot survive. But the air around us gets polluted due to some of our activities. Smoke from vehicles and factories pollute the air. Burning of fuels, forest fires, bursting of crackers on different occasions, sandstorms, etc. are polluted the air. This is called air pollution. Air pollution is harmful not only for the plants and animals but also for the historical monuments. Air pollution also causes asthma and other breathing problems in humans. Did you know when coal and petroleum are burned, they release harmful gases into the air? These gases combine with water in the air and comes down as rain. This rain is known as acid rain. It pollutes water bodies, damages crops, corrodes the surface of monuments and other structures. Land pollution. We are polluting our lands through our activities. Every day we throw garbage and household waste in the open that pollutes the land. Farmers use chemicals and fertilizers in their farms. This also pollutes the land. Plastic materials such as plastic bags or toys do not decay. These things also pollute the land. They decrease the quality of the soil. This is called land pollution. Water pollution. We all know that water is essential for us. We need it for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, and irrigation. We get water from various sources like rivers, ponds, lakes, and other water bodies. Wells and tube wells are also available. Open water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. get polluted by the garbage thrown in them and the animals that bathe in them. A lot of people wash their clothes and utensils in the rivers and ponds. Dirty water from the factories is also allowed to flow into the water bodies. All these activities pollute the water. This is called water pollution. Drinking polluted water can cause many diseases like diarrhea,
cholera,
jaundice, etc. Noise pollution. There are many unpleasant sounds that irritate our ears. This is called noise pollution. It is caused by horns of vehicles, loudspeakers, machines in the factories, etc. It can be dangerous for our ears. Noise pollution also creates disturbance in our daily life. Controlling pollution. It is very important to reduce or minimize all kinds of pollution to keep the earth beautiful. Here are some steps that we should remember to follow. Plant more trees. Trees keep the air clean. Use paper cloth or jute bags in place of plastic ones. Say no to plastic bags and toys. Throw garbage and waste in covered bins. Do not waste water, it is precious. Listen to music and television at low volume. Do not burn agricultural waste. Do not waste paper as it is made by cutting trees. Stop bursting crackers. It pollutes the air. Encourage people to use electric vehicles or use vehicles with less polluting fuels. Words of wisdom. If you see trash litter on the ground, pick it up and put it in the nearest dustbin. Keywords. Pollution, making dirty. Natural resources, useful things found in nature. Fertilizers, substances used in the farms to increase the fertility of the soil. Historical monuments, historical buildings that were built in the early period. Chapter Roundup. All living and non living things found in our surroundings form our environment. Living things are the biotic component of the environment, for example, animals, plants, and human beings. All non living things are the abiotic component of the environment. Air, water, and land are being polluted by our activities. We should minimize the pollution so that the earth remains clean, safe, and healthy to live upon. We should not waste our natural resources.